Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I'm excited today because I am jumping on to show you guys how to do a magazine cover design. A lot of people like to do the magazine covers, whether you want to put it on a t-shirt and make it like a cute design for a shirt, you want to put it on a journal, manifest that in your life, whatever you want. But I just wanted to show you really quickly what I learned, show you my design, and then show you how to create a design. So here we go. So I really wanted to show you guys the actual design I created, but it's been such a while since I created the design, I have to go back and find what I did with it. But this was the design that I created. Alright guys, so sorry I was interrupted for a second, but that is my cover that I created, and I wanted to show you guys. Oh, I found it. So here it is, and I just wanted to show you guys how I was able to create that. Alright, so what you need to do when you're in Canva, you're in your home screen, just go here to your templates and type in magazine cover. Now you see it was already typed into mine, but that's an easy way to find it. Type in magazine cover, and it gives you a lot of options of covers that you can choose from. The one that you see that I did was created from this template, so we'll click on that. Now what we want to do is just swap out the photos. So you see this already has its template photo, so you want to select the photo of yourself and just swap that out. If you've never done it, you just go to your upload media and pick a photo that you have saved and get one uploaded. So I'm going to choose this one here. And let's see if I can change this background. Now I'll delete it out. Insert me in. The other thing I want to do is in my element sections, I have backgrounds already saved. So, excuse me, in my uploads, I have backgrounds already saved that were downloaded, I believe, from, can't remember if it's Design Bundles or Creative Fabrica. I really don't remember. But you want to pick something that you really like, something that's not too busy or anything like that. So this is similar to the one I had on the first photo, so I'll choose that. I am going to set it as a background. If you guys saw that, I just clicked it and I can detach it from a background. But here's my photo. I clicked on it and then I hit set as background. So now that's my background. I can change these colors to make sure it's easier to see. So if I change it to a gray, that's cute, but I want it to be able to be seen. So I'm going to change it to some brighter colors. So I can change all of that. So here we go, iconic. And this is August 2018 issue. And I will change it to January 2022. Gosh, that seems so crazy to say, 2022. And I'm just trying to make sure I, sorry to zoom in on you guys, but I'm just trying to make sure I can actually read what's written here and that is saying what I want it to say. And if you don't know how to zoom in, you just use this at the bottom and you can zoom in and zoom out. So January 2022 issue number 17. And so we can change this to, let's just say, crafting in heels. We'll call it the fabulous way to create. And I'll tell you, my fingers go faster than my brain sometimes. Now, I will be careful with this placement here. You guys see that because of the background, you see like some of the rhinestones in the back. You don't want it to cover up the wording. So you just want to be careful with your placement if you're doing something like this. You don't have to use that background, or you can move things around, but just so you can have some good placement there. You can move things down however you need to, just to get it right. 5 ideas to change your crafting room or area, whatever you're using. And then gorgeous mug DIY. And we can shrink that down to make it fit. So there we go. And let's that's it. So and so is. We're changing that to H.O.P.E is. And I tell you guys probably on each tutorial that I like to zoom in when I'm having trouble moving things. If you can't get it quite right with your placement, if you zoom in for whatever reason, for me, that gives me better control over gives me better control over my placement. So there we go. Iconic H.O.P.E is crafting in the heels. Crafting in the heels, fabulous way to create. And I can actually make that bigger, as big as I want it to be, or shrink it down, make it as small as I want it to be. You can take some of the space out the top if you don't need all that extra while you're working. Make sure you got room for all your pieces at the bottom, and just put it how you want. So now we have a magazine cover, and like I said, you can put that on a t-shirt, a bag, a mug, whatever. This might be really cute for Mother's Day. I know that's a ways away, but that might be cute for Mother's Day when you're designing different things, to be able to put some moms on magazine covers, Fabulous Mom or something like that. That's probably a really cute idea. So we may see this rolled back in May at Mother's Day time. But there you go. That's a great way to create a magazine cover. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.